If there's only one Ayurveda practice that you want to follow for your life, please pick this. Yeah. Hi, this is Amrita. Today I'm discussing basics Ayurveda for everyone. In Dinacharya episode 3, I'm discussing about tongue cleaning, Jiva Nirlekhana, why this is so important. Let's get to it. So, we know that we eat too much food. We sometimes overeat, we sometimes eat wrong food combinations, we sometimes eat too much and sleep before the food has digested. So what happens in our body is all that undigested food particles starts getting fermented and they become something called or ama. These are basically toxins. Ayurveda believes that most diseases ka root cause is ama, which is why the whole focus in Ayurveda is all about digestion. Right? So your body is trying to remove waste in several ways. They're trying to remove in the form of feces, in the form of urine, sweat, that nasal crust that you get, the netramal eye shit. Also, technically our nails and our hair is also waste product, and teeth also, apparently. But your body is also trying to remove this armor, right? So the white coating on your tongue, the first thing in the morning that you get is technically toxins. You want to get rid of them. And specifically if you're not that person who brushed the teeth in the night, then there will be a lot more bacteria growth as well in your oral cavity. So cleaning your tongue, make sure that your oral cavity gets much cleaner, of course. And what it does is that that toxins are removed. Plus, what it does is it also gently massages your tongue. Now, what does that mean? See, when you go to a doctor, like Ayurvedic ho, allopathic ho, when you go to a doctor, first thing they ask you to show your tongue, right? And you'll be like, and then you show your tongue, then they can tell what's happening inside. Why? Because your tongue is a mirror of internal organs. Literally, there's this space for where the liver, where the lungs, where the intestine, where kidneys, all of that, there are proper places of it, okay? So what happens is when you gently clean your tongue, so you're also kind of, so imagine this is your tongue. I don't want to do it, thoda gross ho jayega. So when you're doing that, what is happening is you're gently massaging your internal organs. It's like a bhyanga for your internal organs, right? So please start this practice. What else it's going to do? So of course, removing the toxins, which is very, very important. And number 2, we already know this, that digestion starts in your mouth, right? तभी तो हमें चबा चबा के खाने को बोला जाता है कि please chew your food properly, because saliva has digestive enzymes. So if you are clearing your toxins from your tongue, that means you're keeping your saliva also healthy. That means it's going to help us in our digestion already. So doing this every single day is going to have a major difference on your gut health. So please start doing this. It will be really good to you, like to your body. Please do this, okay? Other than that, what I have noticed is, this is something I did not find mentioned in my books or the notes, but what I have noticed is, so before I started practicing Ayurveda 4 years back, I was really addicted to certain taste. Now I know most people are addicted to eating desserts. I wasn't addicted to desserts. I was addicted to salt. Like I would have salt like crazy. I would open my fridge and eat like 5-6 olives just like that. I would eat achar just like that. I would eat chips so much, The day I decided to leave chips, like I will not eat Lay's chips anymore. I really think that Lay's company ke stocks gire honge because itne chips khati thi main. But anyway, I have noticed since the time I started practicing this mindless craving for salt reduced drastically, and I was like, wow, I don't know if this is working or what is working, but or maybe the awareness that I brought, but I genuinely feel that taste buds will also get more refined once your tongue is more clean. So if you enjoy your food, why not actually take better taste? So clean your tongue every day, okay? So this is something that I noticed I wanted to share about. Now, how do you do this? Get your tongue cleaner, wash it because it's been exposed to germs in your bathroom. There's a lot of germs usually. So just wash it really well and then start with this. So what you would do is, if this is your tongue, and you would gently go and remove that white coating. So every time you will do this, there will be that lot of white coating, that armor here. So what are you going to do? Please do not keep your tap running, okay? क्योंकि पानी से धोना तो पड़ेगा, but नल चालू रखेंगे तो we cannot afford to lose water anymore in our life. Like already हमने बहुत कचरा कर रखा है Mother Earth पे, तो please keep like a mug of water or a glass of water, and अगर warm water रहेंगे तो और जल्दी साफ होगा. So every time you do this white coating, just wash it off every time, okay? So that ways you can just clean this. So do it at least 5-6 times, or do it little bit more until you feel that it is well clean. Don't press too hard, because you don't want to, your tongue is very sensitive. It has that tiny villi kind of a thing, and you don't want to hurt it. You don't want to end up with like ulcers. You don't want to hurt like, मतलब blood नहीं निकालना है हमको, खून खराबा नहीं करना है, ठीक है? So just do it very gently. Just you want to remove that white coating, okay? And you would notice that, especially if you do it for the first time, or if you go very towards the back of your tongue, तो वहाँ पे you will notice that some people will experience gag. Like ऐसा लगेगा जैसे सब बाहर आ रहा हो. अब है नहीं कुछ बाहर आने को सुबह, बट ऐसा लगेगा. So just wait for a moment, pause, come back to normal, and then again just do it, okay? And do it from all the sides so that your tongue is very well cleaned. And once you're done, अच्छे से wash कर लिया, and then you can just wipe it so it's dry, and then you can keep it. अगर आपके बाथरूम में please try, you can get one of those cabinets which gets closed, so your toothbrush, your tongue cleaner, all of that is kind of not exposed to germs so much, okay? So this will be done. Now, what you wanna, I'm sure what you're asking is कि अच्छा ये tongue cleaner कहाँ से ले और कौन सा लेना चाहिए? So tongue cleaner ideally आयुर्वेद में जैसे जो mention है उसमें तो है, कॉपर का भी आता है, सिल्वर भी है, गोल्ड भी आता है. अब पर ठीक है, but copper tongue cleaner is really good for us. Copper is considered as tridoshik. It suits everyone, so you could use that. And these days, so you get it in plastic and silicone as well, but I would highly recommend please use copper. And yes, copper का आप use करेंगे तो it will turn black. Like I've been using it for a while. Like I bought it in like this one, I bought it in June. So and I had done this video on tongue cleaning back then as well. If you're seeing this again for the second time, thank you for trusting me with my content again. But it will turn black after a while. So how do you clean your tongue cleaner? You could use, what I do is, if I'm like, you could use anything which is sour. So lemon will clean this really well. Imli will clean it really well. You also get pitambari, which also will clean it really well. Or you can just take the toothpaste and just like rub it on really well. It also kind of cleans it. I have noticed this, okay? So just tongue cleaner sorted, okay? Okay, there's also one more thing. I know a lot of people know this, that कहते कि पहली थूक जो सुबह की होती है, the first saliva, if it's very healing in nature. So if you get an acne or a pimple, तो सुबह की पहली थूक उस पे लगा दो, right? और उससे वो पिंपल सूख जाता है, ठीक हो जाता है. So that is also kind of true, that our saliva in the morning does have that very drying thing that will kind of dry out your acne very quickly, which is why you see cats and dogs, they will always lick their wounds, right? Because your saliva has that thing which will help it build granulation tissue. Granulation tissue मतलब जैसे कोई चोट लग जाती है तो उसके ऊपर जो wound जो बन जाती है ना, जो like जो skin बन जाती है. So this saliva kind of, the first saliva actually helps us in that as well. But that doesn't mean that we have to take it internally back, which is why we are still cleaning our tongue, okay? So let's do it. Clean your tongue. Make sure that your digestion is well. Tomorrow we're going to discuss about another technique which helps us in our digestion a lot and also helps you with your oral cavity, which is oil pulling, gandusha. मुंह में एक चम्मच ऑयल रखकर उसको घुमाते हैं अच्छी तरह से, और उससे क्या होगा, कभी आपकी गम्स में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, टीथ स्ट्रांग होंगे, प्लस आपकी डाइजेशन जो गट हेल्थ है वो काफी स्ट्रांग होगा. आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट टुमारो. Please share anything that you have in the comments that you want to talk about how you liking this series of Basics Ayurveda, about any of these practices. If you are following, what are the health benefits of it? Because सब लोग comments पढ़ते हैं तो उनको भी लगता है कि हाँ यार ये सच में काफी इफेक्टिव है, इसलिए लोग करते हैं तो मजा आता है. कोशिश करके तो हमें रोज करनी है, मगर जितने भी दिन कर सके, जब जब कर सके तब अच्छा. Alright, so all the best and I will see you tomorrow.